Okay guys, here's the Peninsula rendering. So we've got a Lazy Susan in both corners. First corner on the Peninsula, and the other corner here, the pot and pan drawers, the 30-inch range with a 36-inch hood above it, fridge, and the pantry cabinet with the microwave in it. Dishwasher to the right of the sink. We would make this 6 inches deeper, and the trash pull out here. So that is the rendering with the Peninsula. And if we do the island, the revamped island rendering that we went over on Tuesday. So Lazy Susan in the corner. We push the range down a little bit for the tray divider, 36-inch hood, microwave cabinet, and I push the fridge to the right to give us a little bit more room with the island. I like the look of this better, but it's just deciding if they have enough room, and I think it'll work. So if we measure looking down from the front of the island to this run of cabinets, we have 43 inches, and on the other side we have 41, and that'll alleviate some traffic flow issues with having the stools on this side as opposed to the other, alleviating any issues with somebody getting into the fridge and stools here. This is 30 inches across, 6 feet long. We can do a glass cabinet here with some frosted doors so you can't see in there. Trash, pull out, the deep sink, dishwashers to the right. A really wide cabinet here. This is about 36. And of course on the sides of the island and this fridge leg would be that shaker panel as well. So you can show this to them and see what they think. From the design perspective, I think this works a lot better. I don't see any issues with room. I know that was our bit of bone of contention with that, but I think it'll work. So let me know what you think, and I've got an updated price for this, and that price is this kitchen, not the Peninsula. So let me know what you think. Thank you.